and welcome back to the Joyful Soul Creates. Today I'm going to be showing you the September super kit from Love from Lizi. Before I get into that, I just want to very quickly apologise for disappearing from my channel for a bit. I haven't been very well and I'm still a bit unwell, so hopefully I can get through all of this without coughing too much. So the envelope I just showed you is a surprise gift that will come with your boxes if you're a subscriber. I can't show you what's in it, but it's very exciting, so definitely look out for that if you have subscribed to the kit. Other than that, this kit has an A4 bag and a smaller embellishment bag, and I will start with the A4 bag. We have some cardstock sheets, 5 cardstock sheets, which you can use for making your card bases. We have white, which is smooth white, Copic friendly, you can also use for your zig markers and so on. We have black as well, and then a grey, and these are American letter size, so they will make A2 size cards. There's a pink, and finally a purple. So they're slightly shorter and narrower, I think, than A4 size, but they make quite similar size card bases. It's a little bit different, but they work well for card bases anyway. That's what is used in America mostly. I tend to use A4 card for my cards, but I don't mind working with these cards either. Next was some ephemera pieces with lots of sweet little witches, and you can layer those up if you haven't seen how to do that. Decoupage pieces. If you haven't seen how to do that, you can check out the, I think it was the July kit had some, and I will link to that in the cards up in the top right hand corner, so you can check out how those work. Then we have some patterned papers. There are a couple with skulls on, some cobwebs, and some kind of glittery designs. These like the chevron-y looking ones have glittery designs through them, as do these stripes, and there are a few sheets that are just the kind of glitter effect. It's very nice because it's just the way the design is printed that makes it look like glitter. There's no actual glitter there, so it's not going to shed at all. And this whole kit is completely designed by Lizi, so it's a very special kit. It is now unfortunately sold out, but there are some add-ons and things available. I will have links to them down below. I will also link to the subscriptions so you can subscribe to get the future kits. We also have some specialty papers, some kind of pearlized pieces, and these are half American letter size, so again these would make a card base each if you wanted to do that. There's a kind of taupey colour, a grey, a black and a pink. Then we have the stencil, which is a spiderweb, and it matches the spiderwebs on the pattern paper, and this is a 6x6 stencil. Then the peel-offs, and Love from Lizi always has some lovely peel-offs in her kits, and these are kind of metallic mirror purple. The last few kits I think we've had glittery peel-offs, and these ones are metallic instead. Then we have the stamp set, and this is the Happy Haunting stamp set. You have 3 little girls which match the decoupage, and some sentiments, as well as some little extra pieces, some skulls, a potion bottle and a bow. And there are coordinating dies for these, which is very exciting. Now I'm going to move on to the embellishment bag. And the first thing we have is brushos. And if you follow my blog, you will know I've already been having lots of fun playing with this black brusho. I haven't owned any before, so it was very exciting for me to try playing with them. And I've really been enjoying creating with them, and I use them a lot in my 10 cards video, which will be coming soon as well, so be sure to check that out. There are some ribbons. We have silver, gold, a kind of taupey colour, black and white, and then we have some wooden pieces. Quite a lot of these. There's skulls and pumpkins, there's a cauldron, a ghost, all sorts of different bits and pieces, and they smell really nice. I guess from the etching they have a kind of smoky smell to them, which my husband and I really like, so and there's a very cute little spider. You can colour these up if you like. You can press them into inks, you can colour them with your alcohol markers, you can emboss on them, all sorts of ways to colour them up. Then we have the Sequin mix, which has some kind of pinks and golds, and it matches the colours of the rest of the kit. Then we have a whole bunch of ephemera, lots and lots and lots of pieces of ephemera here. There's again the same like witchy figures that we had in the decoupage and the stamp set. There's some flowers, there's some accessories like a hat, all sorts of bits and pieces which can be used as the focal images on your cards. As I said, my 10 cards 1 kit video will be coming later today, I hope. I've been a bit delayed by being ill, and I ended up using making use of a lot of the ephemera and the decoupage because it helped me to make the cards quicker, which was important to me because being ill has made me be quite behind on everything, which is why this video is coming out the same day, hopefully, as my 10 cards video. So having the decoupage elements and the ephemera elements available meant that I was able to make quick and easy cards without having to spend lots of time on colouring up those sweet images from the stamp set. I would like to play with the stamp set at some point, but it was really useful to me to have the alternative option of playing with the ready coloured images, I guess. When there's an owl in this ephemera pack, there's also a cat. There's a ghost that matches the wooden one, but it's a bit bigger. And again, a bat to match, but a bit bigger than the wooden one. So the whole kit kind of coordinates very well with all the different elements within it. And there really are lots and lots and lots of pieces in this ephemera pack. I think there's 36. I don't have the paper in front of me, so I can't check that, but I believe it was 36 pieces. So lots of little pieces. And I did manage to use some of them to make a non-Halloween card. I wanted to challenge myself. This kit is beautiful and full of lovely Halloweeny goodness, but I don't have much use for Halloween cards. I love them. I really enjoy making Halloween cards. I love that kind of style. It really appeals to me, but I thought it would be useful to me to make something non-Halloween focused out of it, so that's what I tried to do for at least one of my cards anyway. Then we have the Nouveau Crystal drops, and these are Wild Wisteria. It's kind of a shimmery, silvery purple. It's a very pretty colour, and I like to swatch mine onto the top of the lid. That way it's very obvious when I grab them which colour it is, and because sometimes the colours in the bottles you can't tell exactly how they're going to dry, so if you have a swatch right there on the lid, you know right when you pick it up exactly what it's going to look like. And that is everything that came in the kit. And there of course is the little surprise gift for subscribers, so definitely something to look out for. It's a very fun little thing. As I said, my 10 cards 1 kit video will be coming later today, so I hope you'll pop back and check that out. Once it is up, I will have a link down below to where you can find that. This kit is sold out, but you can subscribe, and I will also have links to where you can find all the various add-ons and bits, so you can pick up what you want from that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye!